morning, students. Today I am going to teach mathematics class unit 1, that is many objects and different shapes. Many objects and different shapes. Here we observe that the hill is in the shape of pyramid, hut and tent are in the triangular shape, coffee cup, drum are in cylindrical shape, bell, balloon, in the shape of sphere, tomato also, books, bag are in rectangular prism, carrot, ice cream are in cone shape, gift box and house are in cube shape. In this chapter we are going to learn more about what shapes and how many corners and edges having a shape. Observe this one. Here geometrical shapes are given. These are square, rectangle, circle, oval shape, triangular shape, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, pyramid. From this square shape, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the edges. Rectangular shape. These are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circular. Only one face is given only. Oval is also same like that. Triangular has 3 sides. That is triangular. Pentagon, how many sides are? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Penta mean 5. Hexagon, 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Octa mean 8. A shape having 8 sides is called octagon. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cube. Here cube is a 3-dimensional shape, that is square is 2-dimensional shape. In this cube we observe how many sides and how many corners are and how many edges have, like that. Sides we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many sides? 12 sides. Corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Corners also called edges. Sphere is only face is given. Cylinder have 2 bases, one is up and another is down. These bases having a circular shape, that is cone. Cone having only one edge, rectangular prism having same the measures of the cube. Pyramid like that one, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges, sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 edges, 8 sides. See from this textbook, Here many objects are given, their corresponding sides also given. We match that one. Cylinder shape is a log. Cone ice cream is ice cream. Carrot is in cone shape. Pot also. Orange. Ball. This one is circular in shape, spherical in shape. Like that. Box. Cubic box. This in cube in shape, this is cuboid in shape, pencil is a cylinder in shape, like that. Next we observe these shapes. Let us count edges and corners, different shape objects. This one is cuboid shape. The box is in cuboid shape, and this one is a dice in is cube shape. This one is ice cream is in cone shape. Next one, how many edges do brick shaped object? How many corners? Here brick shaped object is given, that is cuboid. How many edges are given? 12, and vertices are 8, that is corners. Faces is 6. See, this is a face. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Back side is also on face. Some question is given, number of edges. How many number of edges? Edges mean here given 12 edges is given. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 4 4 5 6 7 8. Total 12 edges are given. Number of corners or vertex means, number of corners mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 corners. You write down this one in your notebook. How many edges do dice shaped object have? How many corners do they have? Dice shaped object is a cube shape. Number of edges. Number of edges in same 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Number of corners having same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So once again I will repeat, number of edges is 12 and the number of corners is, that is vertex is 8. How many edges do Joker hat shaped object, and how many corners do they have? Here the Joker cap having only one vertex, that is only one corner, and the edge is only one. This is in circular shape. Okay, so how many number of edges mean? Number of edges only 1. Number of corners 1. I will repeat this one. How many number of edges are there? Only one edge is there and only one corner is there. So you will write the number of edges is equal to 1 and the number of corners is, that is vertex is 1. Next one. How many edges do drum shaped objects? How many corners do they have? We observe the drum shaped object is cylindrical shape. Here two bases in the shape of circle. One is this one and second one is this. Two bases. The two bases having in circular shape. So number of edges is 1, 2. That is okay. And number of corners, vertex is no corners at all. So 0. Do ball shaped object have edges and corners? Ball shaped object have edges and corners. No. Answer is no. So today class is over. We will go to the next class. In this next class I will give you some note. Write these note in your notebook. Thank you. Thank you very much.